can ride disco with superstar disco. We can ride looking like a superfly disco. And you can ride disco and we can fly disco. And you can ride looking like a superfly disco. We can ride disco with superstar disco. We can ride looking like a superfly disco. And you can ride disco.
All right, so we got our SS5 lights out here, 2 of them. We got our tools here, so we can open this, what's this, grill for the bumper. And we are going to place our SS5 lights here and here. But first, we would need maybe a bracket to pop out the lights more. So we'll see. So we were actually planning on putting it here. We try to find so many ways on trying to install it here. As you guys could see, there's actually a few brackets, and not sure if you guys could see that.
It's so dark.
It's so dark. So right now we are custom fitting our screws. This is from the winch screw, and we actually found a way that we are going to connect this from the winch like that. So we had to use our driller and make this hole just a little bit bigger. Okay, so we are going to test to see if our battery is strong enough to light up the light.
No.
And there is no light. Oh, there. Oh shoot, that's the bright one. It works. It's strong enough. All right, so we got the wires connected, and yes, it is strong enough to light up the light. So we find the solution, and we have a bracket that is connected to the winch, and here it is right there, SS5. And this is how it looks like so far. This is how this whole thing looks like right there.
Yeah, so we have an L bracket here.
Yep.
We put it to the winch.
To the farthest one.
Yeah, the farthest one for the winch, and then this connects to the bracket that comes with the dynamic light.
Mm-hmm.
And then that's it.
That's it. So far we got one.
Yeah.
So now we're working on number 2. We are going to use this screw and make it fit here.
Yeah,
so we have
fit.
yep, so we have to make the hole just a little bit bigger.
Mm-hmm.
So we just finished using this to make our hole bigger.
Yep.
And it fits perfectly. We're now doing the electrical wiring parts, the fun parts. This is actually the easy part. This is the hard part.
Yeah.
We are screwing it right there after making that hole just a little bit bigger. And we connected the dynamic bracket through our L-shaped bracket right there. So one bracket to another bracket. And that's how it looks like. And that's how we did this side. So we finished applying this rubber piece right here.
So it looks like this.
It looks like that.
Yeah, it has a 3M on it.
Yep. Why do we do that? Because it was hitting it like that.
Yeah.
Now it looks like we got inspired from the GT500 right here, the classic GT500 from Eleanor. And there you go. We are measuring our wires for our new lights. Okay, cut it. There you go. We have connected the wire.
It's just temporary.
Just a temporary. We are checking to see if it's working with our trigger 6 switches. So I'm gonna go to the front and see if it's lighted up. Oh, it's lighted up. So right now, guys, we're just doing the amber lights right now because we need another wires to do the bright side. But it's nice though. We just finished doing all of our wiring here. Wow, look how much wiring there is over here. These are all our lights here.
Thank God it's not showing.
Yeah, I know. Thank God it's not showing. All right, so we're almost done. Moment of truth. Okay, let's turn it on. Wow, this is just the amber light.
Yeah.
If we're gonna connect the one that's really bright, I think we have to put more wires, right? Yeah, but so far we're happy and content with these amber lights right here.
Got situated here, guys. Yeah. Show you guys the front. You got our boulders and our mirrors.
And we're now here in our row, guys. We're back here at California Fishing Grill, and we got the salmon bowl.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, with some what do you call
Corn
this?
salsa.
Corn salsa. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. All right, let's do this.
Like a super fly disco. We can ride this, we can ride this, we can ride this, go with this super fly. We can ride this, we can this, we can ride. You can ride looking like a super fly disco. You can ride looking like a super fly disco.
So this is what we're gonna do. Since we don't have any tools to hold this down, we have to make this hole just a little bit bigger to fit that winch screw right there. And that's what we did here too on this side.